Sylvie, get your dress on.
Oh,
better get your dress on.
What is it?
Okay, say that comment again, Bridget.
Sylvie, go get your dress on.
Oh!
You want to be in a picture? Go get your dress on.
Okay. Open.
Okay, open it. Oh.
Your baby won't be able to wear it later.
What is it?
That thing.
I'll help you. I'll help you.
What is it?
Just put it on right behind Daddy.
Gabby, what is it?
You're a Mother Nature girl. Are you want some help, Sophie?
Melissa, do it, Daddy.
What is that? Gabby, what is it?
Look.
Is it a baby?
That's a baby.
You got a baby. Oh, nice. You're dressed.
What did Carrie get?
What'd she get? Can you let Gabby do it? Let Gabby tear it up.
Does that baby have a name already? What's it called?
Baby woohoo!
Are you going to get your baby too, Jake?
No, I'm actually going to change. I don't think it's going on. As much as I like this one.
No more dirty clothes.
No, I'm going to change
Put
my
on
red shirt.
something you've already
My
worn
red shirt.
for like 30 seconds.
My red shirt. I'm changing it.
Show the camera.
Can you open this for Gabby?
Yeah, I will. How about if I open this?
Just to open.
What, the doll needs batteries?
Yes, she was.
There is
How about, what's that over there? Look, there's another